Hey, hello guys. So in this video, we're introducing our another kinds of lawn breaker or tongue back crusher, we call it. So these three sets are 100 ton capacity lawn breaker or tongue back crusher. So as for the structure, you can see this is the feeding portal, and then we have a upper casing, lower casing, and then this is the transmission device. So this one is using four shafts, which we also have introduced in our past videos. And on each of the shaft, there's rotary cutters, also made of stainless steel in this case, and to crush the materials that enters of it. But the features of this one is the four rotors are turning at the same time because all those transmission gears are aligned on the same line. And also, because it's a low speed, so it has a larger torque. So for harder materials, so if you have a request of any hard material, this one will be a perfect fit for it. So now let's take a look inside for the structures of the cutter or the rotor. So you can see this whole, the four sides are made of stainless steel, and then the cutters, you can see it is also lined with the stainless steel, and then each cutter has over 40 pieces of stainless steel cutters on it. So by slowly turning, and then the hard material will be squeezed inside of the cutters and also with the grizzlies underneath it. So you can see from these four cutters, there's also grizzlies that's on the bottom that are welded to the shell, so that once this thing is turning, that it is able to cut the big chunks into into small particles. So by doing this, the the lumps are being breaked and then are made into small parts. So maybe now we can take a look from this side. So you can see this all made of stainless steel. Yep. And then you can see here we have a four transmission shaft, and then all these gears are connecting in a line together. And so once one motor is driving, it will drive the whole four parts to rotating together. And we also have an operation video that we can show you in